Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are going to explore 30 yummy fast foods like burgers, pizza, pasta, and noodles. Let's get started!
Burger.
Burger.
Yay! A bun filled with meat, veggies, and sauces. Pizza.
Pizza.
Yay! Flatbread with cheese, sauce, and toppings. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Yay! Sausage in a long bun with sauces. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Yay! A burger with melted cheese inside. Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yay! Bread slices filled with different fillings. French fries.
French fries.
Yay! Crispy fried potato sticks. Chicken burger.
Chicken burger.
Yay! A burger with a chicken patty. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yay! Crunchy and juicy fried chicken pieces. Onion rings.
Onion rings.
Yay! Fried onion slices in crispy batter. Veggie burger.
Veggie burger.
Yay! A burger made with vegetables. Tacos.
Tacos.
Yay! Tortilla filled with meat and toppings. Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Yay! Small fried chicken bites. Shawarma.
Shawarma.
Yay! Spice meat wrapped in flatbread.
Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese.
Yay! Toasted bread with melted cheese. Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Yay! Pizza with pepperoni slices. Doner kebab. Doner kebab. Yay! Sliced roasted meat in bread. Chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Yay! Fried or grilled chicken wings. Margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza.
Yay!
Pizza with tomato, cheese, and basil.
Wraps. Wraps.
Yay!
Rolled flatbread with fillings. Falafel wrap.
Falafel wrap.
Yay!
Wrap with fried chickpea balls. Sub sandwich.
Sub sandwich.
Yay!
A long sandwich with meats and veggies. Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Yay!
Fried fish with fries. Panini.
Panini.
Yay!
A grilled Italian sandwich. Meatball sub.
Meatball sub.
Yay!
Sandwich with meatballs and sauce. Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Yay!
Bread with garlic butter. Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Yay!
Sausage fried on a stick. Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks.
Yay!
Fried cheese sticks. Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Yay!
Tortilla with melted cheese. Noodles.
Noodles.
Yay!
Long boiled strands served with sauce. Pasta.
Pasta.
Yay!
Cooked noodles mixed with sauce.
Great job, kids! Now you know 30 tasty fast foods. Keep learning and have fun.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.